Jaloch mar marathon e piny ngima Kelvin Kiptum notho kaluwore gi hinyruok buora manoyudo e wiye e sama noyudo masira mar ndara. Magi noyangi e biro manotimne kawuono gi jabero maduong' mar piny owacho miluongo ni Johansen Oduor. Oduor nowacho ni choke Kiptum nohinyo wiye marach mokalo kachiel gi ng'edene bende. Nolero kata kamano ni nonro to mamoko to pod dhi nyime mar yango kapo ni nitiere gimachielo mane nyalo kelo tho mar makamano. Kiptum ibiro iki tich abich mar jumani e nyasi mibiro yuore gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto.
So upon doing the postmortem, the finding was as follows. First of all, what we found that the late Kelvin had severe head injuries. There were severe skull fractures, which were mainly at the base of the skull. The spinal cord had intruded into the cranial cavity because of the fractures. Further to that, there were some fractures on the ribs, both sides. On the left side, the first, second, and third rib were fractures, and on the right side, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and seventh ribs were fractured. So what actually killed the late Kelvin was severe head injuries, which when I look at them, they look more of something which is caused by amount of